On your toes, understanding a key English phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, on your toes. This phrase is not only common but also carries a unique meaning and usage in everyday English. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English idioms, this video will shed light on how and when to use this phrase effectively. So, let's dive in and get on your toes about learning English. The phrase, on your toes, can be understood in two parts. Literally, it refers to the position of standing with your weight on the tips of your toes. Imagine a ballet dancer or an athlete ready to move. They're alert, poised, and ready for action. This literal interpretation forms the basis of the metaphorical meaning we often use in English. In a figurative sense, being on your toes means to be alert, prepared, and ready to respond quickly. It's often used in contexts where quick thinking or immediate action is required. For example, if a teacher tells their students to be on your toes for a surprise quiz, they're advising them to be prepared and attentive. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in everyday conversation. 1. In the workplace. The new manager likes to throw curveballs during meetings, so you better be on your toes. 2. In sports. In a fast-paced game like soccer, players need to be on their toes at all times. 3. In everyday situations. When you're traveling in a new city, it's important to be on your toes and aware of your surroundings. It's important not to confuse on your toes with being anxious or nervous. The phrase implies readiness and alertness, not anxiety. It's about being prepared, not worried. That's all for today's video on the phrase, on your toes. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Remember, learning idioms like this one is a great step towards fluency in English. Stay curious, and keep learning. See you in the next video.